here at this restaurant. I got this hoshizaki model number. They're saying it's not working, but I see a blown fuse. I see some burnt wires right there. They said they replaced the board, so I'll look into that, see what they got going on. So I'll probably put a fuse popper right here and see what they got. But so we'll go from there. We'll see. Alright, so I got a fuse popper in here because found a blown fuse. So I took out these terminals right here because my popper didn't fit in there. So now that I turn it on, so if I have the plate on, right, so I got my on and off. So this switch is down, that's for ice. And then up is on there. So let's turn it on and see what we got. So this motor, is this motor seized up or what? Turn it off. What we got going on here? Let me lift this up a little bit. Oh shit, yeah, that's seized up. Motor seized up. They got a seized motor right here. Alright, let me dig into it a little bit more. So I got the cap off, and yeah, that bad boy. We're gonna have to figure something out here, but this ain't happening. So let's just get the information off of here. Yeah, because that's stuck.